Hi everyone! Today, we're diving into Penny Planner's user dashboard. This is where you can manage everything about your account. You can check and update the data about the account. You can take a look at all of your purchases and manage them. And also, this is where you will be creating your financial budgeting dashboards. So, let's explore together. Let's update your account info. Here on the user dashboard, just click on Account Settings. After you have done that, you'll see options to update your email, name, address, even your newsletter subscription preferences. Always make sure that your info is up to date, especially if you're interested to be in the loop and receive our tips and offers. Next up, managing your subscriptions and reviewing past purchases. This section is super handy for keeping track of what you've bought and your current subscriptions. If you want to change or cancel your subscriptions, you can do it here within just a couple of clicks. Always stay in control of your finances. We do not want to make our customers work hard in order to manage their subscription with us. Now, let's create a new budget dashboard, or as we like to call it, a tenant. Simply enter a name for your new dashboard that makes sense for you and click the Create button. And just like that, we managed to create our first budget planning dashboard. To customize our newly created tenant, we can just hit Update button. Then we can choose an icon, set your preferred currency, I recommend you to select an icon that best represents your budget's purpose. Also, feel free to adjust all the settings and preferences, and you're all set. You are the person in charge of all of your budget planning dashboards, and that is why we wanted to make sure that you have all the flexibility and control over each and every one of them. And if you ever need to delete your tenant, it's just as straightforward as the rest of the stuff we just covered. Right here in our update modal, we can see a delete button. When you click it, you will be prompted to enter the name of the tenant you want to remove, and when you do so, the action can't be undone. So be very careful. And there you have it. Our user dashboard is our main command center inside of Penny Planner application. If you have any questions at all, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And of course, feel free to browse the rest of our channel for more useful videos and tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.